Hello guys, today we are unboxing and getting down and dirty with the Hisense microwave. Let's see if this bad boy worth it. Alright folks, let's start with the first challenge, unboxing. Wow, behold the shiny Hisense microwave, straight out of the box and ready to rock your kitchen world. Just like Christmas morning, but with more buttons and babes. Time to scrutinize this microwave. Let's see. Popcorn button, pizza button, potato button. Oh my, so many buttons, so little time. I'm feeling like a mad scientist in a kitchen laboratory. Oh yes, you have conquered the button maze and emerged victorious. This Hisense microwave is like a Rubik's Cube of kitchen appliances, but with less frustration and more delicious results. Now let's set our turntable by placing the plate order in the microwave. Hi there beautiful soul, welcome back to the channel where we explore, learn and grow together. I'm your host Ikani Samuel. I'm so thrilled to have you join me today. Hit that subscribe button and join this amazing community. Here, this is our turntable, everything is set. Yeah, we have done it for this Hisense microwave. The kitchen wizard in disguise, turning my humble ingredient into a microwave to marvels with just a touch of button. So there you have it folks, the Hisense microwave is stylish, powerful and reliable. If you're in the market looking for a new kitchen sidekick, look no further. This little gem will revolutionize the way you cook and eat. Thanks for tuning in and remember to hit the subscribe button for more fun reviews and tech adventures. Until next time, keep nugging and keep cooking.